everybody, it's me again, and the next jigsaw is on my table. Well, it will be on my table in a few minutes, and I haven't got that much time at the moment, and I need my desk because I have to do some work on it. So I will just slide in a little 500 piece jigsaw. So I will take another one from this box, and I'm not sure which one I will do. So maybe the baby seals, or maybe I think I'll go with the baby. I don't know. You know what? I just grab one and we'll see which one it is. And if I'm lucky enough, it's not the lion, but the lion has got 750 pieces, so I won't do that one. And yeah. So the other one I pulled apart because I said that they were hard to pull apart again. The other one was easier, so I think they've got like different qualities in there, or I don't know. So I'll be curious how it is. So yeah. Okay, then I would say let's do the jigsaw. Okay, so this is the jigsaw piece dove, and as you can see, it is in front of a American flag. So that one was hard, I have to admit it, because I think it would have been easier if there were if there would have been a bigger variety with the piece shapes, but that was hard. I mean, I had no misfits, but I don't know. I got a little bit sick this week. Maybe it was because that I just couldn't concentrate, but I thought it would be quicker, but it wasn't. But now I am done, and 500 pieces. So that was that. I'm glad I did it. Yay! And now onto something with a bit more variety of pieces, because I like a big variety. So, thank you very much for watching. You can hit the like button if you want. If not, I'll be sad. Thank you. Bye-bye.